Hey, welcome to another episode of 365 Thoughts on Confidence. It's day 130 and we are just about to start getting ready for this evening's event. I am documenting a women's fashion winter trends for Julie Renzani of Off the Rails tonight here in Johannesburg. It's the first time Julie is doing this kind of event here in Joburg, so everyone's super excited. I'm going to bring you along for the ride. But before we get stuck into the hair and the makeup and the fashion and the goodies and all of that excitement, let's take a look at today's thought on confidence. Every time you face a fear, the roots of your confidence grow a little deeper. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Abigail and I'm a confidence crusader on a mission to help women elevate their confidence, and I do that through these daily videos, this 365 Thoughts on Confidence book, my specialist women's portrait photography, and my online Conscious Confidence course and workshop. So if you feel like you could do with a daily boost of confidence, then consider subscribing to the channel. We all have fears. Some people are scared of heights, some people are scared of spiders, some people are scared of wide open spaces. Some people are scared of talking in front of an audience. Whatever it is that you are scared of, that is the most beautiful opportunity for you to grow your confidence, because as scary as it might seem in the moment to face that fear, we've all heard that the way that you conquer a fear is to face it head on. And that can be shit scary sometimes. It really can. It wouldn't be a fear if it wasn't scary. But what I've learned to do in my journey of personal development is to reframe that fear into something good. Like, find an angle that makes you see that fear as a good thing. And the way that I personally do it is to look at that fear as fuel for your confidence. And that each time you chip away at that fear, your confidence grows just a little bit more. So in the moment you're feeling the fear, in the moment you're terrified, you're crapping yourself. And that's okay, that's understandable. That's the response to a fear situation. But then what I tend to do in that moment is to think just one step ahead, that the next time I face this fear, it's going to be a little bit easier because I do this now, because I am going through all of the adrenaline and the resistance and not wanting to do it at all. If I'm feeling all of that right now and I still take action, that means next time I do it, all of that angst that comes up in the moment is going to be a little less powerful, because what I've done is I've tipped the scales to favor my confidence based on the memory I will have developed of having faced that fear at least once already. And so it's adding fuel to your confidence every time you get terrified. So try as much as possible to feel that fear, like really encourage, look for opportunities to get scared. Because every time you get that feeling of being scared and you push through and you take action in spite of your brain telling you that you're insane, your confidence is growing stronger, your confidence is taking root, you're digging deeper, and you're building the character traits that turns you into the most confident version of you. It's time for the action to start, for the preparations for this evening, so I better get going. I'm sure I will have some more thoughts on today's thought throughout the evening. I will post them as I go. But in the meantime, come along with me and see what we get up to today. But in case I don't get to it later, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications, and share it with a friend who needs a little boost in confidence herself.